Hey guys, myself Niladri Mazumdar, a first year professional MBBS student at Rampura Government Medical College and Hospital in West Bengal, and I have predicted a cutoff for all the colleges in West Bengal for MBBS in government seats as well as private seats. The private seats are released on a different video. This video will be considered only for the government seats in West Bengal. I have prioritized the colleges based on my choices. So let's see. At first, it is Medical College Kolkata. Its expected cutoff for general is 4,366, OBC A is 7,200, OBC B is 7,621, EWS is 12,000, and SC is 37,814, ST is 1,87,432. For IPGMER, the general cutoff will go up to 9,800, OBC A 12,000, OBC B 14,000, EWS 16,000, SC 67,000, and ST 2,57,000. For NRS Medical College, the general closing rank is 9,398, OBC A 11,000, OBC B 15,000, EWS 17,000, SC 62,000, and ST 2,80,000. For RGGar Medical College, general is 12,000, OBC A 15,000, OBC B 20,000, EWS 18,000, and SC 72,000, ST 3,16,000. For CNMC, Calcutta National Medical College or Chittaranjan Hospital, the cutoff will be around 15,000 for general students, OBC A 17,000, OBC B 19,000, EWS 22,000, SC 80,000, and ST 3,20,000. For Sagar Datta Medical College, Kamarhati, the cutoff for general will be 18,000, OBC A 19,000, OBC B 21,000, EWS 27,000, SC 91,000, ST 3,69,000. For Burdwan Medical College in Bardhaman district of West Bengal, it is the first district college which is the most prioritized in West Bengal, and it has the heaviest patient load after Calcutta Medical College. Okay, for general it will be around 20,000, OBC A 21,000, OBC B 26,000, EWS 29,000, SC 94,000, ST 3,83,000. For NBMC, this college is preferred most because of its location. It's in Siliguri, so basically yeah, its cutoff always goes high, and as well as all over India it has got the largest land reserved for the college. The general cutoff will be around 28,000, OBC A 29,000, OBC B 33,000, EWS 40,000, SC 1,06,000, and ST 4,01,000. For JNM Kalyani, the general rank will be 22,000, OBC A 24,000, OBC B 27,000, EWS 35,000, SC 98,000, ST 3,94,000. For Bankura Shaumilani Medical College in Bankura district, the cutoff will be for general 24,000, OBC A 28,000, OBC B 31,000, EWS 37,000, SC 1,09,000, ST 3,94,000. For Medinipur Medical College, the general closing rank will be around 28,000, OBC A 32,000, OBC B 35,000, EWS 39,000, SC 1,19,000, ST 4,29,000. For Murshidabad Medical College in Murshidabad district, the general cutoff can be expected as 30,000, OBC A 32,000, OBC B 39,000, EWS 43,000, SC 1,17,000, ST 4,19,000. For ESIC Joka, it is one of the central institutes. It has got its IP quota as well as state quota reserved within it, along with all India quota. So many quotas are available in this college. So basically its cutoff already goes high because the seats are really limited in this college. But this college has got great faculty, great facilities, great infrastructure. Everything is great, except it is missing fields. Basically the region where it is situated has lots of field around it, so no issues, the students can play. And it is also situated in Behala, so it's like in proper Kolkata. You can opt, like you can provide this college in higher listing because it is a great college. The only issue is that it is a central college, So in PG you will have some issues in getting seats because it's a central college. So the cutoff can be expected at around 28,000 for general students, OBC A 38,000, OBC B 41,000, EWS 43,000, SC 1,17,000 and ST 4,30,000. Diamond Harbour Medical College, it is one of the newer colleges of the 4 college, Diamond Harbour, Rampurhat, Raiganj, Malda. Okay. So Diamond Harbour Medical College, its cutoff can be expected at around 29,000. It is at a distance of 3 hours by train from Kolkata, like proper Kolkata, that is Shialda. Okay, so the trains are always available, so you have to like travel locally through local trains, or the buses are also available. The buses take more time, like lots of more time, so trains are the best option to travel to this college from proper Kolkata. And general is 29,000, OBC A is 32,000, OBC B is 38,000, EWS is 40,000, SC is 1,15,000, ST is 4,11,000. For Rampurhat Medical College, you can travel here by train. It takes around 4 hours. It's basically in Birbhum district, and the places which you can visit over here are Tarapit and Shantiniketan. The general cutoff is 33,000, OBC A 34,000, OBC B 40,000, EWS 44,000, SC 1,26,000, ST 4,31,000. In Malda Medical College, it's in Malda district, and Shiliguri is 2 hours by train from there, like the express train definitely, and from Shiliguri you can definitely travel to Darjeeling again. So yeah, for general the expected closing rank is 31,000, OBC A 32,000, OBC B 39,000, EWS 42,000, SC 1,24,000, ST 4,24,000. Okay. For Raiganj Medical College, the general closing rank can be expected at around 35,000, OBC A 36,000, OBC B 43,000, EWS 44,000, SC 1,30,000 and ST 4,41,000. It is worth mentioning over here that the newer colleges like Raiganj, Rampurhat, Diamond Harbour and Malda, last year these colleges did not have any EWS reservations, so these ranks are predicted according to the trend. Okay. In Purulia Medical College, the nature is really worth enjoying over there in Purulia, and the general cutoff can be expected at around 35,000, OBC A 37,000, OBC B 43,000, WS 45,000, SC 1,27,000, ST 4,36,000. This college was had started last year, so yeah, you will get 1 year senior from you. Cooch Behar Medical College, this college is selected at last just for one reason, because it is quite far away from Kolkata, like proper Shialda or Howrah. You will have train of around 12 hours or so to reach there. Okay, and other than that, Cooch Behar is a great place, apolitical place, less political issues occur over there, and you will get like the surrounding region associated with mountains. So yeah, its cutoff can be expected at around 36,708. This was the closing rank last year, and I am mentioning this rank only because of various reasons this year too. But still, there's a chance of good news if the merit list of West Bengal goes down. Like overall, if the students of West Bengal gets lower marks in general, then the cutoff can fall down a bit. The students, those who are having less marks, do wait for the mop-up round. Do have the registration for the mop-up round. You can have, like in the mop-up round, anything can happen, any probability can happen. OBC A cutoff was around 38,000, OBC B 44,000, EWS 45,000, SC 1,30,000, ST 4,41,000.